We were interested in using a digital technology to explore cultural heritage. Can you use, new technologies to tell old stories?
So SHARESPACE is a 3-year Horizon Europe project that tries to look at embodied collaboration in future shared hybrid spaces. Within this project, the Ars Electronica Futurelab is creating interactive artworks for the Deep Space 8K. So through the open call this year, we have chosen to collaborate with Irish artists Uilleann, Butler and Peter Power. And in their work Foolish Flame, they are exploring Irish heritage and climate change.
The Foolish Flame is a creature that would try and expose to us the cause and effect that we have on the environment, either knowingly or unknowingly.
The audience get to experience two worlds essentially. The first, a kind of a facsimile of the real world, one brimming with life, but they're entering, it disturbs the sort of overall sort of balance that's in that world and wakes them to this other world, which is the world the Foolish Flame moves between. They find this memory that maybe has been lost, and the Foolish Flame then come and dances with them, but by then it's too late, so they return to a world of extraction, a world that has lost all of the life that we saw at the beginning, and the flame is keening or crying for that world. They have to re-sow and reimagine the world in a new form. So the flame breaks that world apart and we see life coming back. We see colour re-emerging.
We worked with the choreographer and dancer Robin Byrne. She also embodied the performance of the Foolish Flame, which was communicating through dance. We then also took the sound of the uilleann pipe as an instrument and made it the actual voice and identity of the monster at the start. So its breathing, its way of communicating is actually also uilleann pipe.
These projects are so technical, but we're trying to make the audience feel something. We're trying to think about the audience experience all the time. And so we're trying things technologically and then seeing if it works creatively.
A lot of the hysteria around technology is the fact that it's separating us. And a large drive behind making this work was to bring people into a collective space to experience technology together. Not only does it become less scary, it also becomes more community derived.